Yo, good morning, everybody. All right, give me a second here. Let's do it. Yo, how is everybody doing? Hope you guys having a good morning. Oh shit. Hold up. Turn the camera off. Boom. I was like, what am I missing? My light back there. 1 second. All right. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a fantastic morning. Get into it. Let's make it smaller. Put that in the corner. All right. All right. This is what we're looking at for NQ this morning. Just in Discord today. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. New here, the homies put me on. It's a good decision. All right, I think the bias for our New York session here is pretty clear. We had the 4-hour gap from last night respecting, and hopefully we create like a 4-hour OB here. On the hourly chart, we have these relative equal highs here. Pretty easy target into our 1-hour gap. Hopefully, I was kind of hoping we are gonna dump or something so we could get this hourly gap. Boom, boom. But we'll see what happens there. But should be a very, very easy target up until 748 here. It just depends, are we going to retrace or not? Ideally, we do, so. But yeah, overnight, the buys are clean. Yeah, 748. Let's do it with the. Get a little bit better. So overall, are you bullish? Yes, I am. Expecting range overall, but upside for Hope everyone's had a good trading week. How'd you guys do this week so far? Artistic office coming along. It's coming along. I mean, awful while I haven't booked 2 accounts, but okay. Built at 10. Yep. Sport 14 games Costa Rica, dude. Hear this out, bro. I'm going to Japan. I'm going to Japan, right? And the cost for the hotel, it's like peak season because we have cherry blossom stuff, bro. It's like I booked 1 hotel so far for 7 nights and it's 5K. And I'm there for a full month. I still gotta book mother. Activated live? Not yet. Going for F1. Ooh, that's fire. That's fire. Have fun, have fun. But yeah, the streams will be the streams will still be just as active. Yeah, F1's crazy money. How can we disregard entries on M2 or 30-second even if you guys were? I don't know, dude. It just, for me, it just never worked out. It's just what I'm comfortable with. But ideally, we get something like this. This would be clean. Bro, London was super clean. Super duper clean. All good. How do you get a bullish bias? We have relative equal highs at an hourly, unmitigated hourly gap. If you go to the Discord, it has the upgrade tab there. Give me a second, chat. I withdrew from Robinhood last night, and I withdrew into the wrong bank account. All right, here we go. Under the premium is $100, bro, and it has I'll just show you real quick. All the alerts here, the overnight stuff, the premium channels, Q&A, mentorship recordings, all that good stuff. Yeah, I drilled on a Friday. Let's check this out real quick. We have TCE already happened. We have Jolson and some orange folders. I hope we get the hourly gap tab, though. That'd be great. Downside first. Retrace into here and then swing up there. All the live trading is done here on YouTube. All right, 4 minutes. Let's yeah, I try all my options there. Let's go, bro. All right, 3 minutes until our open, 3.5. Let's see if we can move down here. No, that's not me singing, bro. Imagine. Whoa, what is this? I had to clean my phone. The screen's so dirty. Why am I top step? I'm just waiting for a live account. That's it. I don't know when. They said 1 to 2 trading days, so like it could be sometime later today. It could be. I'm gonna assume it's probably Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, 30K starting balance should be good. I was nervous that I wasn't gonna get. I was nervous my big account was gonna be ineligible to get moved to live, because if you see what it says on the rules, it says only accounts eligible with who've gotten a payout are considered right for the balanced live account. And that's why I was kind of worried. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. Yeah, just 8 days. Yeah, it should be Monday or Tuesday for sure. Around TV tonight. I tell soon, bro. Soon. I don't make plans for it. It kind of just happens, right? Same with Top Step. It just kind of happened. Which is one of my goals. If you guys remember my goals video, I was talking about how I want 150K Top Step, you know, XFA maxed out, and then get a live account. I'm gonna focus up on that account just because I need 9K to unlock another 30K, and after that I'm gonna have like 70K buffer, right? Then that's fine. 30K is still a little iffy. I'm from India. I like to hear the to sessions. I mean, bro, you just gotta watch how London moves time and time. Sometimes it has volatility, sometimes it doesn't. Just play off the 5 and 15 minute time frame. Used to watch ICT. So I haven't watched ICT in like over years, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What's max payout? There's no max payout. My goal is to not really take payouts until I get my full balance out.
Doing this spring again.
All right, chat. Here we go. Here we go. If we tap this hourly gap, I might just take it straight up. I'm not probably gonna take it straight up. I will take it straight up. I would say something like this. Big if. Big if. I'm waiting for a pullback and then into the hourly gap, hopefully. Do I really think we're gonna get the hourly gap? But it's right there. It's right there. The only thing I kind of wish doesn't happen is to get SMT'd up here. Wait for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Yeah, so that could work. But in this case, I'm pretty bullish. I'll just take the 1 hour gap straight up. I just hope we don't create SMT at these highs up here again. Just a sweep down would be clean. Yeah, overnight was very clean. I thought they're gonna make that'd be too easy, bro. This like hourly gap and go. Hopefully we can get it. You gotta stay patient. This is like one of the only setups I really want this morning. The thing is, if we tap the hourly gap above right now, then it kind of I don't know the bias too well, but this should work. And I'll take this straight up too. I'll start jabbing like at 620s and all the way down to like 580s. From the rooftop to the train, through the April falling rain, every step I synchronize with the rhythm. All right, basically just hold the Discord. I'll jab 620s and then 580s if we can retrace before that upper gap. The market would take out including shorts. I mean, I would. That's a good question. Would I short down to the gap instead? Ideally, would just like to longing, and it'd be easier. All right, chat. Make sure you drop a like. Every 100 likes,
Every 100 likes, we do a smart prop from point giveaway. Make sure to drop a like. We got 400 people in here with 20 likes. What if PA goes to buy side bass? I'm gonna have to be very cautious in how I approach that after. Because ideally, I don't want to short down to that hourly gap that I have marked out below. I'd rather elongate, right? So hopefully, I mean, the way he's looking right now, I don't know. But hopefully we can get a move down first. It's not looking likely. That would have been like the picture perfect, like lower risk type of play. Bro, the daily is so ass. Yeah. This is poor, dude. All right, chat. If we get like 620s, I'm gonna take some, and then it's 580s. I'll take some. Stop loss right here. How long it takes to build? I always have a problem. I mean, bro, it's just I know where the highest probability trades are gonna come from. Win or loss, it doesn't matter. Just take my chances, right? It's a game of probabilities. Kings, appreciate it. Yeah, ideally we go to the hourly gap before news. That'd be better. Tad bit lower, mate. Stretch out a bit. Oh my god, that was a stretch. Yeah, ideally, like I said, I'd like to get entries before. Like I said, I'm gonna start jabbing this hourly. Okay, all right, I'm gonna start adding positions here. Gotta start adding, and I'll add all the way down to 580s. This is good. All right, I'm in longs. I'm gonna add all the way until this hourly gap gets here, and then we'll keep our stop loss down here. All right, we are in. Like I said, we'll add more on 580s if we need be. If ES takes out his that, if we SMT up to high, we'll take off. Already in the lower time frame. This is what the lower time frame is looking like. Probably a lot of ICT shares, probably a lot of IVG. But I just took it off straight off the hourly. Let the hourly play out. I got my first initial ad is at 620s, and then like I said, I'm gonna wait if we get to 580s to add more. If not, that's fine. I'll ride with this position. All right, currently plus 60 on this. Plus 60 pointer. Yeah, like I said, if ES takes out its high, we'll trim and go BE. Beautiful chat, 70 points. Bro, when you go to Japan, I go 15 days. Yeah. Can you guys even hear the music? It's a little bit lower, I feel like, today. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Currently up around 50 points. Always. Yeah, I went there before. It's my second time. It's a good spot. All right, if ES takes out these highs, even the previous New York high, will take. You guys understand? When ES takes out his high up here, I will trim, go break even, all right? All right, good chat. That is 80 points. You guys can trim some here, honestly, if you guys want. 80 points already. All right, I'm gonna take some off, chat. I'm gonna take some off. I'm gonna take some fucking off. Let's go, baby. Come on. All right, ES about approach side. Take some off here. Take some off. Take some off. Take some off. Go break even. Beautiful. Look at that fucking entry, bro. Oh my god. Look at that entry, chat. Come on, man. Inside the noise. $80, 100 fucking points. Oh my god. Bottom fucking tick, bro. Come on, man. Stop fucking playing with us. Stop playing with us. Guys, trim most of your position here. Let's fucking go. Light 10 bands on the morning, bro. Come on, man. Make sure you trim your position to go break even. If you only took one contract, just kill it here. Kill it here. Come on, bro. 120 on this bitch. Oh my God, bro. Bro, we're so good at trading. We are so good at trading. We are so good at trading, bro. So fucking good at this. So fucking good at this. We are so good at this. Happy fucking Friday, bro. Happy fucking Friday. Bro, I don't even need to look at the lower time frame, bro. Bro, it was so easy. It was so easy. So free. Do a thumbs up for the cam. Bro, I mean, we're done. That's it, right? Like, we're done. We're done. Full TP hit. We're done. I'm all out. I took all of my contracts out. Chat, this is for the IG. Spam 1 if you guys took the trade. Spam 1 if you took the trade. IG spam. Oh, hold up. We are already done 30 minutes into the day. Chat, spam 1 if you guys took the trade. Easy, no drawdown. Almost at this point, the trade's running over almost 200 points. Easy fucking trades. Guys, if you guys aren't on the YouTube live, make sure to tune on in. This is free money every single day. Bro, look at this shit. I told you guys I didn't stream the last 2 days. I got you guys today. Chat, if you guys were here from the start, we called it to perfection. Like, you cannot get any cleaner than that. You can't. You literally can't get any cleaner than that. Can't get any cleaner than that, bro. Lower time frame. This is what I was talking about when it happened too. I was like, a lot of ICT traders are probably taking this woman inversion, so you could have taken that woman inversion. All right, let me go back to the chat. Where's my chat? Where's the chat? I can't believe I didn't take it. Your setup's always similar. Yeah, similar. Take it with Javier. How'd you know? Because so before obviously we have bullish order flow from overnight, right? We have an hourly change in state delivery here and form basically hourly gaps before open. So using 748 as a relative equal high. Also, all these stacked highs up here are buy side. Unmitigated 1 hour FPG as your target. Boom, to the upside. It's perfect setup. I gotta make an IG real. Now we don't know where it's gonna go, right? Now it's just, but let me record a reel. Guy, we just caught another banger live on the YouTube. They gave us such an easy day for this Friday morning. We had the unmitigated 1 hour gap. That was my target. And overnight, you guys can see we created a lot of 1 hour fair value gaps to the upside. We took our initial position on the first hourly fair value gap, and I was planning to add more at 590s. We never got 590s. We stuck with our original entry into our relative equal highs and our unmitigated hourly fair value gap. Took this live with 500 people, an easy $10,000 day. I'm so surprised they gave us such an easy day on a Friday. We'll take it. If you guys aren't on the YouTube lives tuning in, you guys are missing out. It's free money. Let's keep working. How long does it stay on? I'll stay on for like another, like a good amount, probably like another hour or so, or like, yeah, like 40 minutes. Now, the thing is, we have a lot of internal lows resting below too, in case we want to take that out. I'm personally not gonna put any more risk on for today. Like, I'm totally fine with this, but this 5 minute inversion goes, we'll probably go back down into the range. Yeah, really good setup. Will you take anything else today? No, absolutely not. I wish I had my Top Step live account. Oh my God. These are like the trades I would for sure be taking on my live. Now it's just the waiting game, right? Basically playing these gaps and understanding what's going to happen from here. If you guys are still looking to trade, just understand this is where it becomes a little bit lower probability. You want to be a little bit cautious on what you take. So even if you're not comfortable taking the lower or the higher time from entry, this right here would have been your signal. Like I said, I mentioned this while it was happening. I was like, a lot of ICT traders are probably getting into this. Dude, we like that, bro. It's no drawdown, just straight into TP, bro. Like 5 candles straight of just up. And back in that daily range. Chat, this daily range is insane. Low key though, the lower time frame has been pretty chill now in terms of getting good reads, but before we were in the daily range, it was bad. But it's picking up a little bit because the volatility is here. All right, does everyone know why I took that trade? That's the biggest thing. I'll put this here. 120 point long. Yeah, inversion here will be, you can expect these highs. And honestly, I am kind of expecting that. I do think 940s. This is interesting. Look. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We have this still too. We have a volume imbalance at this area. Be like around 930, so keep that in mind too if we continue pushing higher. 930s is a big target that we can possibly tag into. Keep that in mind. 930s. I definitely want to see these highs get tagged. 15 minutes looking clean. I think that's from what is this from? Wednesday. That would be my target for today. It'd be the 980s. Currently got a retracement to a 15-minute gap or 5-minute gap, excuse me, and going higher, which is good. We'll stay on the 15-minute chart here. This is how the 15-minute chart is looking, right? We had a lot of accumulation last night. We manipulated during our London session. So this is actually really clean AMD coming in to a New York session. So hopefully we can distribute. We're already distributing a good amount, like, right? This is where a majority of your position will be take profits, but we'll see if we can blast above this area and possibly create like a 1-hour inversion. I would like to see upside, keep it in the range for today. We'll see what happens. This is the 1 minute looking like right here. Volatility is kicked up, so keep that in mind. If you guys are taking another trade, size down. Would your model would your entry be strictly off the inversion at the 1 hour? I mean, the 1 hour would be fine. Like kind of how I took it this morning. It's all about trade discretion, really, and understanding what's happening. Like this morning, I didn't need a lower time from entry because it was like perfect AMD, right? And we had that target. Now the targets are pretty far, so it becomes less probable that we'll like maybe hit them. But like for example, 748 this morning was very probable. It was only 100 points away. We got our good retracement, and now here we are. Like this could be the end of the AMD, right? Like the distribution did what it needed to do into rebalancing into a higher time frame gap, which is the hourly gap. Now we just kind of wait and see what happens out of these. Yeah, I personally think it would go higher, but we'll see. The 5 minute, 15 minute. So if I was to be bearish, I would need it under the 5 minute gap minimum, right? I wouldn't feel comfortable playing shorts when there's a 5 minute gap here. That's just how I look at it. But the 15 minute gap will tell too, because if you close under that 5 minute gap, this 15 minute will start looking like a pretty solid rejection. Thank you. Good trade today. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, needs it too. I would ideally though like this 900s, because I don't know if we're gonna get it to, like I said, it's pretty far. But on the lower time frame from Wednesday's new day opening gap, we have volume imbalance right here. We have some relative highs stacked to it too. We got jolts in about 1 minute. This should honestly give a direction, if I'm being honest. We'll see if this gives a direction. It's gonna create a 15-minute gap, so maybe it's happened to 15-minute gap or 15-minute OB. We'll see. Depends where the spike happens. The current hourly looks like it's rejecting this gap. Like I said, just wait and see what happens. Just because the hourly is rejecting, you couldn't just wait for that lower time frame to kind of align as well. It does the 10K on 28. Dude, nice, bro. Good shit. Yeah, new than 30 seconds, 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds. My fingers are cracking. Yeah, ES is honestly a little bit weaker right now. Like I said, I'd rather just wait and see what happens out of this. We have 15-minute gas put into this. Like, you would need under this 15-minute candle, in my eyes, to be comfortable with the short here. It's flagging up here so far. I heard ES is weaker than, so usually determined by the percentage of the day or just how it's moving. Sometimes we have huge divergences in terms of percentages. In this case, it's not huge today. ES is up. NQ is like 0.2% difference. So technically NQ is stronger where it is on the chart. But we'll see. Just chopping around right now after taking that. Like I said, if you're looking at this in a lens of terms of liquidity, the highest probability areas of liquidity have been taken out. It was either the lower fair value gap for the bullish one, right? You can mark out those hourly lows. So like before open, this is how you would have it marked out. You would have this marked out here because this is going to be your hourly fair value gap. And then you would have this marked out right here too. These are two highs and lows that you would have had marked out before our open. So if you go to replay mode, let's go before our open, it would be like this, right? Hourly fair value gap here, hourly fair value gap here. You determine which is your bias. In terms of me, I would be a bullish bias because we have that change in state of delivery here. We have the hourly fair value gaps put in. 4-hour gap is respecting, right? At this point, you're just waiting for one to get swept and possibly play the other side. In this case, the low I wanted swept, right? First, that was bullish. Boom, boom. And then obviously the next candle took out both of them. But that's how I determine bias there. Now, right now, my bias would be like pretty much neutral. Like we took out our objective. It just depends what we do in this 15-minute gap, right? This 15-minute and 5-minute. Are we going to respect this? Are we not going to respect it? That's the biggest thing. Ideally, overall, I would like higher prices. We have it. But like I said, it's Friday, last day of the week. I don't know how much juice this is gonna actually have. It's gonna be an interesting spot here on the 15-minute. Like I said, the volatility is for sure here. It's almost 100 points from the top. Depends what this does here. Would I take anything in this market here? I would not personally, because we already caught a trade. There's no point in putting on more risk on a lower probability setup. looking back on the daily, we're just, like I said, we're back in the daily range. I don't know where we're gonna go from here. I thought last week, you know, when we had this on Crazy Move on Wednesday, that we would actually, or that's like 2 weeks ago. Sorry, this move right here on Monday when we tapped the sell side down here, we move back up. I was like, oh, we're for sure gonna go for these 25.2, 25.4. We have a lot of relative equals high there, but we didn't go for them. So now it's just, like I said, it's a waiting game. This daily range makes you come in with no bias, because if you come in with a bias, you're likely going to get cooked because the market's not expanding too much. What do you think with the woman at IPG forms? Oh, this one here, I think I truly believe if we get above here at 750s, this is actually a good long setup. Boom, boom, and then target more buy side up here, wherever the buy side is. Big if, but that would be what I would use for entry for continuation. Other than that, I'll just wait. All right, let's do a giveaway while we wait. We smashed 100 likes. Do a giveaway, chat. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do 2 winners. Oh no, 1 minute, right? If you guys are here, you're here. Let's do 500 SPF points. We'll do. I think is that it? Okay. There we go. 2 winners. Make sure to smash this right here. Enter giveaway. It'll tell you enter the giveaway. We got 1 minute on this. Let's see it. Chat, make sure if you guys took that trade on our if you guys took that trade with us, make sure to comment on IG. The giveaway bot is in the giveaway section. We got 18 seconds here. Make sure to comment on the latest IG if you took the trade. Latest IG post. Or reel, excuse me. 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3. I need kind of fast. 2, 1. The winner is Franklin. Congrats, and miss her too much. Congrats. Make sure to DM me your smart prop from email. I will send it to the team as soon as I can, probably after the stream. Expect your points within a couple business days. Go. Congrats. Every 100 likes, chat. Every 100 likes we do giveaways. So if you drop another like 60 likes here, we'll do another one.
Inside the noise.
But the 1 minute is kind of chopping around here. But why not give away a point total that could redeem an account? I mean, I do these every single day. I can't give everyone an account every single day. Yeah, I don't know why the delay is so much on the stream. I don't know what to do. I'll figure it out over this weekend. But usually it was only a couple seconds. I think it was like 3-second delay. But I don't know why it's been so much lately. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let me see. I wave at the camera. Yeah, about, I think it's like 7 seconds. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, coming down here. Coming down. All I wanted to see was a continuation. That's it. No continuation at all so far. And this is what I mean. This is what I mean. This is what I mean by coming in with no bias. Like if you come in with no bias and you try to play both sides, you will end up winning. Been a pretty much I think everyone knows it's been a scalper's market and not like something you can actually hold, right? Every higher time from gap, like the hourly, the 4 hour, the 15 minutes, are getting some type of reaction. So it makes the continuation harder, but it also provides opportunity to play both sides. Would I short this? I wouldn't short this personally. I'm done. I would be done with the day. For me, there's no point in putting on more risk. I just feel like the highest probability targets today were already taken out, right? If ES, if we do start dropping more, ES will probably start running some of these lows on the hourly time frame, but that's the only thing I see. In my eyes, like I said, it's not really worth putting on risk after the first trade. That's a no for me in terms of putting on risk. Say if I didn't do the first trade, that's a good question. There's a big, I don't know. I honestly I don't know. I feel like in this market, this isn't a high probability setup right here to take this one down to downside. If I didn't take the first trade, I'll probably just wait for the PM session to get a better idea of where it wants to go. I think those ES lows could be possibly a good target here. Because like we have a bunch of stacked lows, right? Once again, this would be like a scalper scene. Let's just say you were short, right? And you're targeting this ES low. This ES low would be your TP / break even, because then you're gonna be trading into an hourly gap, right? Who knows what these are gonna react like? It could be like this. It could continue lower. It just depends. The game probability chat and the highest probability stuff is already happening today. We're also trading back into a 4 hour OB. So like I said, I don't know where this is gonna go. In terms of overall bias, I think as long as the NQ stays in this NWOG, I'll be bullish. But as soon as we get out of there, then I'll kind of look for more downside. Yeah, so ES is pretty close to its gap. Let's put eyes on ES here. On this hourly. How long is it? I mean, usually it's a magnet even after we violate it, but like in this case, keeping above the NWOG is okay. Kind of use as support and resistance at this point for me. Really wish though I would have got my live account today. Probably would unlock the Prince Buffer. Which matcha spot? We'll see. We'll see. I actually had a matcha yesterday. Some banana matcha. I had an oil change today for 10 a.m. guys, and I changed it to 2 p.m. I'm kind of regretting changing it. I feel like banana matcha, strawberry matcha, blueberry matcha, like those are like staples, no? For banana matcha, I mean, I'm literally an OC where it's like nothing but Asians, and like they know how to do matcha, bro. And I feel like every place has a banana matcha. New Whipski GT3, bro. I'm not dropping 400 racks on a car. I drive a Integra. If I got a new car, I'll probably keep that one too for daily. I don't think I could spend or justify spending like what 400K right for a GT3 RS on a car. crazy. Maybe down the line. All right, ES playing hard to get on this hourly gap here. Honestly, if we tap this hourly gap, I might take SPX calls for the rest of the day. Like the options play for the day. In the Discord. Chat, after the stream, I'm going right back to bed. I am sleepy. If we come back to the hourly or ES gap, I'll probably take some SPX 0 DTs. Indian American? I guess I'm Indian American. I'm Indian, but I'm born in America. What car do you see yourself getting in the future? I honestly don't know, bro. Or like a SUV, not SUV, but like a bigger car. I guess you like an SUV. I feel like if you asked me this like a year and a half ago, if I was like at the level I'm at right now, would I have had a supercar? I probably would have told myself, oh yeah, I would for sure buy one. But I feel like the more money I make, the less interested I'm getting in getting cool cars, which is kind of weird. It's like wanting something, and then once you can actually do it, it's like you don't want it no more. XM5, dude, yeah, XM5s are fire. I might have to tap in. Not weird at all. It's not even taxes. I just rather spend my money on experiences, bro. Like a couple $100,000, bro, on a car versus, you know, traveling and things like that, bro. It's just. I think obviously one day I'll pull the trigger, but that day is not today. Or soon, I guess. I really do like my Acura right now. Like it gets the job done. Oh, yesterday, chat. So my Acura has a pretty like not small tank in terms of miles, but it's not as big as like obviously the TLX and things like that. It cost me $57 to fill up. That's the first time ever in my life it went over $50 to fill up. And it's also the first time where I actually looked at the gas price. I was like, let me see what the prices are. It was like high sixes, I think. I was like, damn. We didn't tap that 1 hour ES, so we didn't ES strong. It's all good, bro. It's a type S. All right, coming down here. ES is flirting with these lows, just teasing them. I want these lows to get taken out. You can see we get a reaction from here. There you go. There we go. Maybe $5.99 on NQ. No, I'm not in anything right now. We already took longs to the upside. We took the hourly gap, rejected it nicely. 4 hour OB there. So interesting enough, ES did not take out these lows from last November. If we continue lower, that could be the target. I personally think this is probably gonna start getting not bought up, I would say, but like probably back in a ring. I don't know how much this is gonna trend today. Pretty good both ways. I mean, there's a little high resistance on the move down, but not bad. Not bad, not bad. I wish the market was like this. Oh, honestly, I was thinking about it and I was looking at my P&L. I was like, dude, do I do better do I do better when there's market range versus continuation? I think I do. I do. It's because like in trend days, if you don't get in early, it's very hard to get in, I feel like. But in this case, you could play both sides. Like I think eventually we'll probably get like a bounce from this area again, and it's like not, I don't know if like a full bounce, but like probably like 40, 50 points where we could play the range. It's just adapting to market, adapting to market conditions. Different market conditions allow you to do different things. But I think this could be a balance area soon in terms of like just going back into the range. ES is back into hourly gaps. If you were short, this would be like your target. If you're looking for longs, this would be your entry or like near your entry. No, I'm glad we finished early though. We finished like 30 minutes in today. I think less than 30 minutes. It's like 20 minutes. Out of short, good short, bro. That's right. All right, ES hourly gap has been activated. We have a lot of low resistance built up right here on NQ. See where this goes. We have, see, I so much range leaves so much like LR. Like, this is actually really nice to play in my eyes. Like just that move alone, you know, like makes it nice. BTC finally moving. Is it actually? Let's check. Oh, it is. Damn, bro, Bitcoin got. I think it's a monthly gap right here. What is this? Why do I have this marked out? Oh, this is sell side down here. I think. Oh, chat. Don't overthink it, bro. Look at this. We're not gonna overthink it. Like this is why I've been telling. I'm not financial advice, but I've been saying DCA it, bro. Like this. Think about it. In the life of Bitcoin, this is only the second ever yearly fair value gap tap. Second ever. And don't overthink it, bro. Do not overthink it, bro. It's gonna be internal low to external low. That's all it's gonna be. It's gonna be whoop, 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 right? If we go lower into 50Ks, guess what? That's even better. We already hit 60K. I don't know how much lower people want it. Like, think about it from the top to bottom. That's a 6, bro. It's a 51% drop. People don't realize like we went deep into a bear market in Bitcoin. People are still pretty fearful. Just buy, right? I mean, I'm just DCAing here. I'm DCAing down here. If we go to 50K, DCA some more. Just don't put all your eggs in one basket. And I think they're good. Like this is a yearly fair value gap. You don't think I'm gonna put any money behind a yearly gap? Like that shit is insane. If this gets inverse and fucking goes to, I don't know, 20K, so be it. Like this is a game of probabilities, right? And this is a high probability setup. And I think a couple other, I don't think it was Eve. I think it was Sol. Yeah, look at this. Sol has this first ever 6-month gap. There's a lot of different things. Confluences, I guess. Yo, what's good, Griff? You're on fire this week. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. It's been a good week. Good range. Good range. Yeah, no more risk on for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the streams this week. I know the last 2 days I wasn't on. I got one of the days my alarm didn't go off, so I woke up. I was like, "Fuck, dude, I'm already late. There's no point." what was I gonna look at? All right, we're getting bought back up here a little bit. Balancing these gaps. I'm telling you, every gap is getting that reaction lately. It's been back and forth, which is why the range is playable. In this case here, ES is getting its hourly gap bounce. What kind of root nuts? Yeah, dude, this volatility is spiked, bro, which is good. It's very good. Yo, we got our Top Step funded live account. Let's go. I'm not gonna trade it today, obviously. Let's launch it up here on stream, right? Let's just do it on stream. Let's do it on stream here. Okay, actually, I'm not gonna do it live on stream. I'm gonna make sure there's no information that. All right, there it is. 10 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. All right, there it is. 30K. Oh, you guys probably can't see the top, huh? Ignore the pink. Okay, I can't get that. Oh well. Can you guys see this? Performance something. You guys can't see it, but it's a 30K account. Let me just figure out how you guys can actually see it. Give me 1 second. That did not help at all. It's a 30K account. Trust me what I'm saying. I don't know how to figure this out, but you guys can see right here, 150K live. We got 30K in this. What the fuck did I do to my cover? I'm not very tech savvy, guys. But oh, don't maximize the window. You're right. Like this. Does that work? This isn't a high probability setup right here to take this. Oh, don't maximize the window. You're right. Like this. There you go. You guys can see it. The IFVG was clear as day. Yeah, it was. Does that work? All right. Will you trade a live account live? I'm gonna trade it. Like in this case today, I would have taken the trade for sure. But we'll see. I'm not gonna trade it right now. There's nothing good to trade. All right. Will you trade a live account live? I'm gonna trade it. Like in this case today, I would have taken the trade for sure. But we'll see. I'm not gonna trade it right now. There's nothing good to trade. All right, cool. We got our live account. Sick. We need to make 9K to unlock another 30 or so. All right, ES hourly gap is kind of doing this thing. Sick. I mean, I wish we would have got a live account like 2 hours earlier. All right, ES hourly gap is kind of. I might have made 14 right. It's nice, bro. Nice. I'm telling you the. I mean, I wish. Probably not today. We didn't hit 200 likes. 2 hours earlier. I might have made 14 right. It's nice, bro. Nice. I'm telling you the. I mean, I wish. Probably not today. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a sub on the stream. Like a lot of people left after the trade, but we're just kind of chopping at this point. I don't know where we're gonna go. I should go my Luke. Let's take it slow, bro. Take it slow. Let me sign on that Top Step X here. I'm on set filming with Mr. Beast right now. No way. Fire. Yeah, I turned it off. My bad. I was like, where's that noise coming from? The DLL is pretty good. 40 or 30K count, $4,500 drawdown is pretty good. I was like, dude, I was like, whose fucking voice is at the back? All right, chat. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Pretty much chopped now, but 120 points, 0 drawdown just to kick off the stream 20 minutes into it. And then now it's just kind of just chopping around. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll keep you guys updated if I take any options plays or anything like that. I hope you guys had a good week trading with me. We traded Monday, Tuesday, Friday together on YouTube, and we caught bangers pretty much all week long. We caught bangers. So I hope you guys were able to learn something, maybe get a little bit of green out of it too, and overall having a better trading experience. All right, chat. I'll catch you guys on Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern. We're gonna try to be live every single day. I think will happen. This week I got a little busy because yesterday was our final day in the other apartment, and I had some other stuff I had to move out, so I was pretty much stuck there. But we're all gonna go now. Monday, 9 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, let's do it. All right, I appreciate you guys. Peace and love, chat. Peace and love. Have a fantastic week. Another one in the books.